To be honest, this wasn't the future that I had planned for myself, but God has other plans, and obviously, like, I've taken over this, and I want to do my best. And obviously, it's a different field, but there's always a starting point for everything, and I hope the starting point would be fruitful, and hopeful that in the coming years I would see that my constituency gains a lot from me joining politics.
Will you miss the football ground?
Definitely, football has always been my passion. Football has always been in my blood since I was a kid. But then we grow up, and my playing career has come to an end, and I have hung up my boots, but I've put on new boots, which is here in the assembly.
How do you differentiate between football and
golf? To be on the professionalism part, I think there isn't really much difference, because in football we have a lot of discipline and we have to prepare ourselves a lot before we go into matches. So I think it's important for me also to prepare, to be disciplined when I'm looking forward to serve my best for the constituency. I have to give a lot of credit to Moplang as a whole, because without Moplang, I'm sure Shillong wouldn't have water. And the forefathers of the Moplang, of Hima Moplang, have been of great value to the people of Shillong especially. And obviously, water is a very important element for us in our daily lives. So it's important that I try to see what I can do so that we can speed up the process and ensure that people get sufficient water. There are some villages which really need roads, because as of now they are struggling when it comes to transportation of goods or transportation of even passengers from one place to another. So it's important that I try to see and I try to get this solved so that it does bring a lot of benefit to the villages. It really wasn't an easy task, but all credit has to go to the people of my constituency. And like I said in my previous interview, it is the hope and the love and faith that they've shown in me, and knowing that they can be dependent on me to follow in the footsteps of my dad and try to achieve his dream for the constituency.
Regarding the sixth schedule amendment, that will happen soon in the parliament, and as we know from the source that they will bring this sixth schedule amendment through the 125th constitutional amendment in parliament, maybe this next session in parliament. So this issue also is very important for the tribal people who are in Meghalaya, especially the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garos. And regarding these issues which they want to amend some of the key important points that they are about to bring some amendment, we will stress that this amendment that will be brought in Parliament in the sixth schedule, it will not affect or it will not destroy the interests of our people. And we will urge the state government to pursue this matter and also to follow up this matter with the central government, that regarding the all the proposal that which have been made by the district council, all the three district council in Meghalaya, and also the state government, the cabinet, that the central government should take these into consideration. Yes, that also is very important. We have seen that, especially in this highway, national highway from Shillong to Juwai, and is in a very bad condition, and will take up this matter with the Deputy Chief Minister and also urge the government to speed up this repairing work in the national highway Shillong to Juwai.
Naturally, I feel good. As a member of the MPP family also, I feel great. Another thing is that I have seen in the field, while working in the field, that NPP-led government has done wonderful jobs, and therefore only the effect could be seen in the field. And along with that, the 3 MLAs from the government has come as a result. This is the means the people loves this government. I'll try my best, and the people already has seen the developmental activities of the government. Therefore, people love this government, and they have voted for all these 3. So that answer, though, I can give you after 1.5 years only. You can ask me what development I have done for my people. Top priority is that health, roads, education, lots of things. Rajawala, for a long time, no Congress ruling MLA was not there. For that thing, I have to do lots of things for my people's expectation is high. Let me see how much I can do for these people.